Hello everyone, welcome back. Well, it's me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm just going to review this website. The website which I'm going to review today is going to be scriberworld.me, and this is a pretty new website which I came across, which actually pays us for writing articles. I myself have an account, and I just posted 2 articles, and I never pasted the link anyway. I just saw my article myself 2 times, and I got actual money for it. Can I actually believe this? I am able to earn money from just writing articles. If you are a blogger or writer, or if you just want to earn some money, then you can just write articles here and you can earn money. I mean, that is a pretty good way, or that is a secret technique to actually earn money easily from this website, even if you are not an writer. So if you want that kind of video, I post a separate video for that. So just say your opinions in the comment section, and I would post a video on it. So I'm just going to review this website. So the pay is pretty much good, I would say. The most of the regions in Europe and US get $4 to $5 per thousand views, and the Asian countries such as India get about $2 per thousand views. So I would say this is a pretty high pay comparatively. Let's say if our articles gets millions of views, just imagine the amount which we'd be getting. And one more important thing is that if you write our articles over here, it gets easily ranked in the Google search. So another good way for us to earn, right? Yes. So now moving back, well, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 withdrawal methods: PayPal, Faucet Pay, Skrill, Binance, Paytm, and Bitcoin. So no matter where you are, you will be able to withdraw your money. The minimum withdrawal amount is going to be $10 for Faucet Pay, Binance, and Paytm. I'm from India, so I prefer mostly Binance or Paytm. Bitcoin is also good, but it has the highest withdrawal, I mean, second highest withdrawal amount. Now, I can just read this over here. Now, if I'm just going to review about the user interface, well, this website is in a pretty slick. This website has a pretty slick dark theme, which I love it. One more best way to earn is going to be from the referrals. They actually pay 20% of the referral amount for the lifetime. So let's say I am referring you, and you earn about let's say $100. I would be getting $20 in my account. So that is another great way for you to earn. So if you have friends who are interested in writing, just share them. Just make an account here and share them your referral link, and you would also be able to earn. Now, moving back, these are my articles over here. So the interface to write articles is actually very good. I actually love it. I can choose my own featured image, I can choose the category, I can literally customize everything on my article. So this is one of the best things which I came across. There are some other best alternatives such as Quora Medium, but they do not allow you for customization. Let's say in this article I am going to actually choose a different kind of textile. I can just choose it. See, I just chose a different textile, so we are able to see the different sides. And there are not a lot of annoying advertisements. One is going to be on the side, which nobody's going to mind, and another is going to be after a few paras, which is pretty good. I don't care where it comes, as long as I get paid. We're able to literally customize everything, our homepage, everything. Let me show you. See, we can just link our personal profiles over here. We can choose a withdrawal method over here, and if we submit, the withdrawal in our money gets credited within 48 hours. So I'm just going to tell you guys, the best website to write and pay is obviously scriberworld.me, at least for now. As this is a new website, they're paying this much. I don't know if they would continue paying this much after a few months. So for now, if you're watching this video, well, it's good for you. You are an early user to this video. Just go make an account over here. For now, just you can try writing your own articles, or if you're not going to write, you can just take some other article, paraphrase it, and paste it here. If it gets approved, you're in the luck. Now, my referral link is going to be available in the description and first comment. So please go make an account using my referral link. So guys, once again, it's me, Suri Prakash, from Product Signing World. Again, meet in the next video. Until then, bye.